are safe right now. There's no reason for us to worry. But if there is anything else after this, any further developments, I'll make sure to tell, make Fiji know. But I've already assured Prime Minister and government, assurance of the commander that the troops are safe. Troops are safe. Without going into the politics of war in the Fijian. Let's hope that that is the end of it. No more shelling or no more fighting.
So because our soldiers there are not trained to actually go and fight. Because our soldiers are trained for peacekeeping, not for. So then we should not be moved.
I think you should go and do some military training to know. Well, the soldiers are safe. They know what to do. There's no such thing as peacekeeping training. You always train for war. A soldier is always a soldier. Then you just apply this principle to become a peacekeeper. In the event that you need to fight, you fight. To look after yourself. But now I can say that the soldiers are safe. There's no need to worry about the ability of the soldiers to look after themselves. The UN has got contingency plans if it needs to evacuate, and right now there is no need to evacuate. Soldiers are safe.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, what's in the box? See.
It's so new and fresh!
Looks better, eh?
This is everything I could have ever wanted.
What you looking at? Oh, you're gonna have to find out.